Good morning, guys. Today we will be starting on the 100 days of 10-minute crochet, and we will start on the DIY Crochet Bird party ideas for little girl's birthday party and DIY craft projects by Sprout. And it's a fairly easy project. You only need 2 colors of yarn and maybe a third if you're not going to use safety eyes. So let's start with the first part of the bird. That will be the body. Second part is the beak. So we will be crocheting in spirals, so we will not join at the end of each round. And use a stitch marker to mark the beginning of each round, or don't if you don't have to. You could also use a piece of yarn, preferably in a contrasting color other than the yarn that you're using. And you need to know the magic ring, chain, single crochet, and the slip stitch. And these are all US terms. So the pattern says leave a long tail, because we will be making feathers later on. So this is the start of my tail. I'm gonna leave a long end. I don't know how much they want me to leave, but I left about, I think it's 60 centimeters. And we will be making a magic ring. So that's a ring, and then we will be making 6 single crochets in the ring. 1, 2, 3, 5. Where were we? 5. And oh, I forgot to keep the tail, to also crochet over the tail. So 6. So close your magic ring. Don't get confused by using the other yarn tail like I just wanted to do. Keep that separate. Use the yarn tail that's connected to your skein, of course. So slip stitch, and then pull the loose tail. So put it closed. So you see, it's closed now. Maybe you can see it. I think it was out of focus, but I think you get the idea. Okay. So, and then we're going to start with round 1, and it says 2 single crochet in each of the 6 stitches you make, or you made. So you will end up with 12 stitches. So it's essentially just an increase in every single crochet. So we increase by crocheting 2 stitches in the same hole. 1, 2. I always crochet quite tight because I like my amigurumi not to show the stuffing as much, but that also makes it a little more difficult in the beginning to do the stitches. it will get easier in the higher rounds. So we did 6 increases. I still have to practice a bit. I see that I'm off center of the camera image a lot. I'll try to stay in the center. Round 2, do single crochet in every second stitch and you will end up with 18 stitches. So what that means is that we will single crochet in the first stitch, and in the second stitch we will double crochet. So we will make 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. So, and we will repeat that all the way around. So you will do that 6 times, so 6 increases, and you will end up with 6 more stitches than you had in the previous round, and it was 12 plus 6 is 18 stitches. So let's do that. So 1 single crochet in the first stitch, and then 1 and 2 single crochets in the same stitch. There was a second stitch, and just repeat it all the way around. So 1 and an increase, 1 and an increase, 1 and an increase, 1 and increase. See? Okay. 1 and increase. Okay, so we've reached the end again of round 2. Now we have to continue to round 3. And basically we do a extra single crochet. So we do an increase in the third stitch. So now we did an increase in every second stitch. Now we're going to do an increase in every third stitch. And we will end up with 24 stitches. So let's do that. 1, 2, and in the third we increase. 1, 2, and in the third we increase. 2, increase. 1, 2, increase. 1, 2, increase. 2. You can hear the neighbor's cat maybe. Yes, so we reached the end now. We've got still a little less than 1 minute to go, so we can start on the 4th round, and it's just single crochet all the way around, so no surprises there. So do 24 stitches. Oh, I'm sorry, I was off center again. Just a few more. Okay. Yes, so that was it for round 4. So we stitched 24 single crochets. And it was also it for the first day of the 100-day project. If you need more information, links is in the description. And you can also follow me on Instagram with hashtag 100DaysOf10MinuteCrochet. And also follow me on my own Instagram channel if you like. And hit the thumbs up for this video. And also subscribe to my normal channel where I will be posting more patterns and more, well, crochet things in general. Well, join me tomorrow for day 2. And I hope it was fun. I hope you also like this pattern. And we'll be making a cute birdie together. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.